What's up, guys? Today we are jumping back in time to New Year's Eve, where Grammy and Pops had an awesome scavenger hunt, Christmas gift, New Year's Eve thing planned for the girls, and you will not believe what they get at the end of it. It's well worth the wait. Hey guys, my name's James.
And I'm Ashley.
3 years ago, we sold our house and we've been traveling across the country ever since.
Hi, I'm Goose. I'm Maverick.
Join us!
Where you go?
Look in your bathroom and get the next clue.
What'd you get? What'd you find? Any clues? No clues?
Not yet.
What does the clue look like? Do you know?
Piece of paper.
Do you see any pieces of paper anywhere? There it is! Grammy's craft room can be tricky, you know.
Oh.
I would check under the craft table looking down low.
Downstairs?
Well, it said craft room, so go to the craft room.
Make sure you and your sister. Go, 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 go.
It's like Halloween all over again, but without Madame Cleo.
Basically.
But you don't get treats and everything.
And no Madame Cleo.
No, Madam Cleo.
I'm Madame Cleo, and with my crystal ball, I will help you to find the treats that you have in store.
Did you find the clue?
I found it.
All right. What's the next clue say?
Alright, clue 2. A snowman in the house. How can that be? Look for your next clue on the snowman tree. Snowman tree! Snowman tree! Snowman tree! I see it! There!
Grab it.
Don't knock over the tree.
Persephone's like, I want to help.
Come on, upstairs! No! In the kitchen! In the kitchen! Upstairs!
It's in the kitchen.
It's in the kitchen! Get out of the way! Yeah, in the kitchen! Clue number 4. Okay.
Oh.
The dogs need a treat. Oh, where can they be? Clue number 5 is waiting there, you see. Dog treats! Dog treats!
All right, Mav, where are the dog treats, Maverick?
Clue number 5!
This is pretty cool.
Yeah. You are getting closer. Just step outside. Make sure you have boots on whenever you ride.
What do you see?
Goose, right here. What are
Pull that one off, Mav. Pull it off.
What is that?
What does that say? Whose is that?
Goose.
Wait.
And what does that say? That says Maverick. So whose is that?
Mine.
Yours? Wait a minute. You're too little to have that. That must be for Daddy.
Cutting it.
Is that for Daddy?
No.
Thank you, Grammy. Thank you, Pops.
You're welcome.
That's pretty awesome.
Those are mine.
I got a fox thing.
The Fox keychain is the best part of it.
I got one too. Let me see.
Give hugs, girls. What do you say?
Oh, I was like,
Thanks, Grammy.
what did you think? Wait,
What are those?
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
You're
whoa.
missing this
Go
face.
grab
It
your-
just hit her.
go grab your box.
It
Go
just
grab the
hit her.
boxes. She goes,
Start it up, Pops.
the key you can press down.
Boys and their toys.
Oh, wait a second. What are those?
The key you can press down. You have to take.
Wait, do you need help?
That's pretty cool. It's like Spider-Man helmet. How excited are you right now to have your own quad? This is what you've been asking for years. Oh It's so dark! Take it nice and slow, but go ahead.
All right, go Mav!
Oh, we're in neutral.
Oh, hey! Woohoo! Go Maverick! Woohoo! And break.
He's gonna go down the hill.
Of course he is. Of course he is.
They way underrate them
Hey,
anyway.
Ken, have you fed the horses?
No, probably not. No, I don't think I have.
Careful, Goose!
Get ran over.
All right, Uncle B.
What?
She needs a flag for it so she can go at night on the dunes.
Yeah. I don't think she's gonna go at night.
Say what?
dude.
No. I'm kidding. Here they come. Woo-hoo! You did it!
Daddy, can we go for a loop?
Sure, I'll follow you. Woo! How is it? Is it fun? Yeah? Are you excited to ride it tomorrow in the daylight?
If you're looking for a good time, call me. I'll be there before you even know it. It's no trouble, don't mean a thing. Snap your fingers and I'm on the scene. Come in, honey, I'll make you believe it. I got everything you need. I heard you're feeling better, I'm so glad.
If you guys like quads and dirt bikes and whatnot, we have been riding for years, from razors to ATVs to dirt bikes, all sorts of fun things. I got a playlist up there full of videos that you might want to watch. So if you haven't, be sure to subscribe, check out that playlist, and until next time, guys, stay positive, get out there. Life is an adventure, so make some memories.